Hello dear students, welcome to today's English class of class 9. Hope all of you are doing well. Most of you have completed your notes and sent to me of the first lesson. So the first lesson is over, the story of Tarun is over, and activities also completed. If clause, the main grammar in that if clause is also completed. And now we are moving to the next lesson of Unit 1. Okay, so welcome to day 10, and let us go to the next lesson, that is learning the game. Okay, dear students, in the story of Tarun, we have seen the hardship, the struggle, okay, the determination of a poor boy to become the fastest runner of the world, and how hard he tried to achieve his dream. നമ്മളൊരു തരുൺ എന്ന കുട്ടിയുടെ കഥയാണ് കണ്ടത്. Okay, and that was really inspiring. I think all of you are very inspired by the story. Okay. Now we are going to learn about a legend. Okay. I think all of you might have heard about Sachin. No? When I hear about Sachin, what comes to my mind first is a scene from the movie 1983. സച്ചിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറയുമ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് 1983 ഒരു സീനാണ് എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ വരുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും സീൻ അല്ലേ? ഈ സീൻ എല്ലാവരും തന്നെ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവുന്നതാണ് എൻ്റെ വിശ്വാസം. വാട്ട്സ് ദിസ് സീൻ?
ഇതാരുടെ ഫോട്ടോ ഏട്ടാ?
ഏത് ഫോട്ടോ?
ദേ ഈ ഫോട്ടോ.
Okay, so that was a scene. Okay, that is for fun. Okay, there may be people like that. Is there anyone among you who doesn't know about Sachin? സച്ചിനെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയില്ലാത്ത ആരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടോ ഈ ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ? But I think most of you know Sachin. Okay, we are very familiar with him. Okay, so this lesson we are going to learn about Sachin. Before that, let us just watch a small video about Sachin's life. Okay, who is Sachin? Some facts about Sachin. സച്ചിനെ കുറിച്ച് കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്കൊന്ന് കണ്ടിട്ട് വരാം. ഓക്കെ.
Me and Bakar looked at each other and said, "ये छोटा बच्चा क्या करेगा?"
throne, this Everest, it is certainly Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay, so that was a video about Sachin. We know he is a great legend, master blaster. Okay, so many students have got, or so many players got inspiration from him. Even in our childhood, Sachin was, no, we were all fans of Sachin. Okay, later came Dhoni or Kohli, like that players. But so let us move to the lesson. The story of Tarun highlights the importance of hard work, encouragement, and motivation in achieving one's goal. Okay, you have seen already. Now let us read the words of the living cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar about his efforts to become a good cricketer. So we have a living legend. You know what is the meaning of legend? ഒരു പാരമ്പര്യമാണ് അല്ലേ, ഒരു വലിയ ജീവിക്കുന്ന ഇതിഹാസമാണ്. ഓക്കെ, so let us read about his efforts to become a good cricketer. So learning the game by Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Okay, I'll read it by paragraph. You can just follow it. Okay, those who are not textbook, you can read it here. Okay, so let us see what is there in the first paragraph. From a very early age, I played tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. Okay, I think most of you play cricket. Okay, we don't play with the real cricket ball. No, it is very hard. So usually we play with maybe rubber ball or tennis ball. Okay, so he also used to play like that with colony friends. I loved watching cricket on television, and in our games I often tried to emulate the mannerisms of my favorite players, Sunil Gavaskar and the West Indian legend Vivian Richards is actually. Okay, so we know we all love players. Some of you like football. Okay, some of you like Cristiano Ronaldo. So you follow his hairstyle. You like Messi. You like to imitate him. In your WhatsApp status and all, no, sometimes we can see Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, and those who love cricket, they keep the name of Dhoni or Virat Kohli, etc. So Sachin also used to do the same thing. He tried to emulate. What is the meaning of emulate? Emulate means imitate. What is the meaning of emulate? Imitate. Imitate means അനുകരിക്കുക അല്ലേ, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ മീനിങ് ഓഫ് എമുലേറ്റ്. അനുകരിക്കുക, ഇമിറ്റേറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ദാറ്റ് ഇസ് ദ മീനിങ് ഓഫ് എമുലേറ്റ്. The mannerisms of my favorite players. What do you mean mannerisms? What do you mean mannerisms? The habitual gestures, രീതികൾ. ഓരോ കളിക്കാരന് അവരുടേതായ രീതികളുണ്ട് അല്ലേ. So their style, we like to imitate. I have seen students imitating the mannerisms of players. Dhoni's helicopter shot, we are like trying to imitate that. Okay, way of bowling. Okay, so all these things we like to imitate. That's what the mannerisms of Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian legend Viv Richards. Sunil Gavaskar, do you know him? Sunil Gavaskar. This is Sunil Gavaskar. Okay, he is a legendary player. And Sachin was a fan of him. And Viv Richards is a West Indian player. Okay, Viv Richards. Okay, Viv Richards and Sunil Gavaskar. But it wasn't just the batsman that I studied. But Sachin not only used to study the batsman. Sachin batsman's mannerisms മാത്രമല്ലായിരുന്നു പഠിക്കുന്നത്. I also loved bowling. And Sachin also liked bowling. Bowling throughout my career. I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. So throughout my career, in his career as a sportsman, he used to bowl. And even in World Cup, he used to bowl. Sachin, Sachin was a believable or dependable bowler. നമുക്ക് വിശ്വസിച്ച് ഒരു ക്യാപ്റ്റന് പന്ത് ഏൽപ്പിക്കാൻ പറ്റിയ ബൗളറായിരുന്നു സച്ചിൻ. So he was good at batting as well as in bowling. Okay. So Sachin is describing his life, how he, the first paragraph, how he started playing, how he used to imitate the legendary players like Sunil Gavaskar and Vivian Richards, okay, and how he liked bowling as well. Okay, so here is a question. Cite instances from the passage that show Sachin's love for cricket even from an early age. So you can write this from the first paragraph. Okay. Moving to the second paragraph, he says, I was then studying in the New English School, Mumbai. So he was studying in a school which was situated in Mumbai, a New English School that was situated in Mumbai. But my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, where Ramakant Ajrekar sir was a cricket coach, gave due importance to the game of cricket. So his brother Ajit, let me tell you about this man. Ajit is a brother of Sachin, and he is a man who is the actual reason why Sachin who is today. സച്ചിൻ്റെ പിന്നിലെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയൊരു പ്രേരണ ശക്തി, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ കഴിവുകൾ കണ്ടെത്തി അത് മുന്നോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ ഏറ്റവും അധികം സഹായിച്ചത് സച്ചിൻ്റെ സഹോദരനായ അജിത്താണ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ സച്ചിൻ വാസ് റിയലി ലക്കി ടു ഹാവ് എ ഗുഡ് ബ്രദർ. സച്ചിൻ വലിയൊരു ഭാഗ്യമായിരുന്നു നല്ലൊരു സഹോദരനെ കിട്ടിയത്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഹീ പ്ലേഡ് എ വൈറ്റൽ റോൾ ഇൻ ബ്രിങ്ങിങ് ഔട്ട് ദ ബെസ്റ്റ് ഔട്ട് ഓഫ് സച്ചിൻ. സോ വാട്ട് ഈസ് സെയിങ് ഹിയർ, though he was studying in New English School, in Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, there was a school, Sharadasram Vidya Mandir, and there Ramakant Ajrekar was the coach. Ramakant Ajrekar, the man who trained Sachin, the man who made Sachin who is today. സച്ചിനെ സച്ചിനാക്കിയ മഹാഗുരുവാണ്, അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ കോച്ചാണ്. ജീവിതകാലം മുഴുവൻ സച്ചിൻ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ സ്മരിച്ചിരുന്നു. അദ്ദേഹം കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷമാണ് അദ്ദേഹം മരിച്ചത്. ആ സമയത്ത് സച്ചിൻ അദ്ദേഹത്തെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയുകയുണ്ടായി, നമ്മൾ ടി വിയിൽ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവും അല്ലെ, സജ്രേക്കർ. ഓക്കെ, ഹീ ഈസ് എ മാൻ ഹൂ ഫോംഡ് സച്ചിൻ, ഗേവ് ഡ്യൂ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് ടു ദ ഗെയിം ഓഫ് ക്രിക്കറ്റ്. ഇൻ ദാറ്റ് സ്കൂൾ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻസ് വാസ് ഗിവൺ ടു ക്രിക്കറ്റ്. ഹീ റാൻ സമ്മർ ക്യാമ്പ്സ് ടു, ആൻഡ് ഹീ വാസ് റണ്ണിങ് സമ്മർ ക്യാമ്പ്സ്. Ajit one day took me to the camp to get trained under sir. So one day Ajit took him to sir. Anyone could come for a trial at the camp. So anyone could come. ആർക്കും ആ ക്യാമ്പിൽ പോകാമായിരുന്നു, ആ സ്കൂളിൽ തന്നെ പഠിക്കണമെന്നൊന്നുമില്ലായിരുന്നു. And it was up to sir to decide who to accept. The sir, Ajrekar sir would decide whom to take for the camp. I was 11 years old then. So that time Sachin was only 11 years. Ajrekar sir, as I refer to him, Ajrekar sir, so Sachin used to refer him. What do you mean refer? Mention, പരാമർശിക്കുക. റെഫർ ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മെൻഷൻ ചെയ്യുക, പരാമർശിക്കുക. സച്ചിൻ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ പരാമർശിക്കുന്നത് അജരേക്കർ സർ എന്നാണ്. സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് പ്ലേയിങ് ക്രിക്കറ്റ് അറ്റ് ദി ഏജ് ഓഫ് 11 in 1943. Sachin also started playing cricket at the age of 11, and Ajrekar sir also started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. So when Sachin went to Ajrekar sir, he was the age of 11, and Ajrekar sir started playing cricket at the age of 11. Coincidence, അല്ലേ? ഒരു രണ്ടുപേരും ഒരേ പ്രായത്തിലാണ് കളി ആരംഭിച്ചത്. മഹാനായ ഗുരുവും മഹാനായ ശിഷ്യനും, a great coach and a great disciple, started playing at the age of 11. Okay, so this is what I give you today for as an introduction, and here are two questions. One I already told you. Second one, how did Sharadasram Vidya Mandir differ from other schools in Mumbai? You can find it from here. Okay, start writing in your notebook. Okay, and you can complete that work. Read the lesson once again, learn about Sachin, know about Sachin, come prepared for next class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.